Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric mountain bike. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an electric mountain bike, money can buy well the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Omeci Mountain Electric Bike. Brand name, Omeci. Mountain bike, 26-inch folding bicycle, multi-mode e-bike for men and women. Color, black and white. Battery capacity, 10 amperage. Charging time, 5 to 6 hours. Range of mileage, pure electric, 40 kilometers. Motor power, Omeci plus 48 volt 300 watt. Speed shift, 21 Shengmilo speeds. Tire specifications, 261.95. Frame material, aluminum body. Seat tube material, height adjustable range aluminum alloy, 80 to 115 centimeters. Suitable for the crowd, 170 cm 200 cm. Adult front fork material, aluminum alloy. Maximum load capacity, 180 kg. Front fork damping type, spring shock absorption. Brake system, front and rear disc brakes. Number 4. HRTC Folding Electric Mountain Bicycle. Brand name, HRTC. Model number, 8700P. Multi-mode hybrid, take you through the new fashion. Comfortable grasp, good handling, silicone grip, super control. High-performance USB interface. Double long-range battery. Automotive grade 18,650 lithium battery cells. Voltage, 48 volt. Folding electric mountain bicycle. Wattage, 351 500 watt. Wheel size, 26. Max speed, 30 to 50 km per hour. Motor, brushless. Frame material, aluminum alloy. Range per power, 31 to 60 km. Rated passenger capacity, 1 seat. Style, multifunctional type. Number 3. Shengmilo Electric Mountain Bike. Brand name, Shengmilo. Model number, MX02S. Snow road riding, show the advantages of fat tires. Help commute, make the city less crowded. Boost mode, manpower model, electric mode. 3.5 inches multifunction smart display. Brushless motor, 48 volt 1000 watt. Lithium battery, 48 volt 17 amperage. As a power source for electric vehicles, lithium batteries have the advantages of long life, large capacity, and lightweight. 2 charging methods, the battery can be easily removed and recharged, or it can be directly charged by plugging the power supply into the car body. Safe and waterproof. Free switching between 3 modes. Wheel size, 26 inch. Max speed, 30 to 50 km per hour. Motor, brushless. Frame material, aluminum alloy. Range per power, 60 km. Rated passenger capacity, 2 seat. Number 2. HRTC Electric Mountain Bike. Brand name, HRTC. Model number, MS01. 48 volt 400 watt powerful motor, special high-speed brushless toothed motor for export one-piece design. IP68 waterproof and dustproof. Export quality brings you continuous motivation. Multiple riding modes, quickly switch and choose different power outputs. Multifunction handlebar, shift acceleration, free control. Hydraulic disc brake system, the hydraulic disc brakes give you a fast corresponding speed, and the fingers can be easily manipulated with a small swipe to quickly brake. Product size, 27.5 inches, have good handling and passability. Wattage, 351 500 watt. Power supply, lithium battery. Wheel size, 29 inch. Max speed, 30 to 50 km per hour. Frame material, aluminum alloy. Range per power, 3160 km. Rated passenger capacity, 1 seat. Number 1. Shengmilo Folding Electric E-Bike. Brand name, Shengmilo. Model number, MX01. 12.8 amperage large capacity battery. 1000 watt motor, 4.0 fat tires let you swim in nature. Fat tire chassis road plays better. 3 riding modes the size of eyes, intelligent perception, boost mode, manpower model, pure electric mode. Smart meter, HD LCD display, instrument, accurate power display, accumulated mileage, instrument backlight. 3 riding modes, MX-01 adopts the central axis straight sensing application system. 12 pieces of magnetic steel transmit signals accurately and efficiently. Powered riding is more comfortable. Max speed, 50 km per hour. Wheel size, 26 inch. Range per power, 60 km. Rated passenger capacity, 2 seat.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.